in Colchester, 13. Got Accurate readout. Collie closer. We are going to furnish a 3-jaw chuck with this. There's not one shown here, but we're going to furnish one. It's got a tool post. Well, there's your cross slide going in. There's a readout working for that. Real nice waves on this. Give you a walk around. It's got coolant. The placard on here is just in mint shape. Everything's highly visible still. .40. Real nice machine.